Today's topic is how to order parts from PartsTech directly through an estimate. To begin, create a new estimate from scratch by adding the required parts, labor, and other necessary details. After all the required information has been entered, proceed to save the estimate. Once the estimate is saved, click Edit to open and modify the estimate. Then click PartsTech and then click on Find Parts. From this section, you will be directed to PartsTech, where you can order the required parts for the selected vehicle. After selecting the required part, click Add, and then select Buy to complete the order. The selected part will be automatically added to the estimate and will appear under the PartsTech section. Make sure to save the estimate afterward.